Good morning to one and all. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Ruchi Infra as well as Century Extrusion shares. So okay, in this video, we'll discuss the complete technicals as well as the fundamentals of Century Extrusions, and we'll also try to find out what are the possible levels for it. Okay, so we know that it was continuously hitting lower circuits since past week, and now it has started giving a movement, and it has given its first upper circuit today. So I have posted in the community section also, people who are interested can buy in small quantities, and also about Ruchi Infra, which was open in BSE, and it was trading with equal volumes of buyers and sellers, and it has also given upper circuit after few hours. Okay, so people who have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates. So when we see about Century Extrusions, it is a quality aluminum extrusion profile manufacturer from India. So Century Extrusion Limited is the leading aluminum extrusion and profile manufacturer for India for the last 19 years. Okay, and manufactures for about 3000 aluminum profiles. So it has remained a leading manufacturer for the last 19 years and manufactures 3000 aluminum profiles. So this is the business of Century Extrusions. Okay, next if we see the overview of the company, you can see that currently it's around 4.75 and it has hit the upper circuit. And if we see the market cap is only around 38 crores, and if we see the industry PE is around 11.92, and its current PE is not there because it has reported losses in its previous quarters. And if we see the deliveries is around 93.47, and if we see the highest book value is around 5.86. So if you see the shareholding of the company, you can see that promoters are having a good amount, around 52%. So generally 50% and above is very good. And if we see pledging is not there, that is a good thing. And FI's holding is not there. And you can see DI's holding has slightly increased. And if we see the mutual funds are getting into it, and around 0.01% holding is there, and other DIs are also having 4.73%. So overall, fundamentals are okay, only the company has reported losses, so that is only the major drawback for this company. So if you see the strengths of the company, you can see that it has annual net profits improving and company zero pledging, and stock gain almost 20% in 1 month. And now we know that from last week it was in continuous upper circuits, and again it has given lower circuits, and again today it has just given the movement. And this is the basic strengths of this company, so you can pause and read them. Next, if we see the weaknesses, we can find out that degrowth in revenue and profits. So that's why I told P is also not there, because of revenue and profit, or overall the quarter results were negative for it, and major fall in TTM net profit and decline in net cash flow. Okay, companies with growing cost year on year. So these are the basic negatives of the company. And if we see the opportunities, you can see that positive breakout has been given, highest recovery from the 52-week low, high volume and high gain. So high volumes were seen today also. You can check out the volume. So many buyers came, even in between it was in lower circuits, and again suddenly it has given the upper circuit. So that's why I posted in the community section, you can add in small quantities. So next, if we see in 1 day chart, so you can find the levels. So you can see that this was the level. Okay, exactly today it was respecting that level, from where it has started giving upper circuit. Again it has reached the same level, and it has started giving the upper circuits, and we can know that 4.50 was the support for it, and now we can see that immediate resistance for it is around 6.50. So which will be tested in few days if it continues its upper circuit journey. So we need to focus on these two levels, 4.50 and 6.50. Even today it was open, so that's why I told that it is a very good share. Only negative thing is that profits and revenues all have decreased in the previous quarters. Okay, even if the money flow index has also remained completely flat. So we can say that complete accumulation was there in the past week also. Even it was hitting lower circuits, we can see that the amount of sell quantity has decreased day by day. So we can say that accumulation was happening in this share. So that's why today it has reached its peak point and started giving upper circuit. Okay, similarly if we see in 1 week chart also, we can see that it has started its journey after two continuous, okay, we can say that lower circuits for this company, and now it is around 4.75, and we need to watch out this share till it reaches the target of 6.50. So if you get a chance to invest in it, people who are interested only can invest in small quantities. Next, I wanted to discuss about Ruchi Infra in BSE group also. It was open today. Okay, so it went to lower circuit, again it came to upper circuit. So completely it was trading, okay, in between, and finally after few we can say that after 1 hour, I guess, it has given the upper circuit where buyers came suddenly. Okay, so that's why I told that in the community section also, if you want you can add in small quantities. So we can't find any levels for this because it has been continuously in upper circuits. You can see how it has moved throughout the month. Okay, so one main important strategy is that you need to invest in small quantities in this share. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say in this video. So in next video I want to discuss about Welspun, okay, Welspun Corp, okay, and Welspun India also, where news has come on it. So subscribe to the channel to not miss any update. So until then, take care, bye bye.